What's up, guys? First track day of the season. It's March. It's 40 degrees out. I arrived last night. Trailer is a mess. Hope to do some laps on my ZX10 Pog, ZX6 faux Honda. All I want to do is kind of survive today, try to get back up to speed. No crashes. It's cold out. I think it's 41 degrees. Track's not going to get warm till afternoon. I think it's supposed to be high 50s by this afternoon. Like I said, the goal today is just to get back up to speed. Alright guys, second session. I just did a 148. Beats my best time last year, I think, and I'm not even pushing. Good news is the extra gearing and the brakes are working excellent. The 2 millimeters in the back seem to make the bike turn in. My best here is 142 or 143, but this is 148s, 149s, and I'm not even pushing. I'm not even trying. It's just out there cruising. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty pumped about it. Try to get some footage after lunch. Right now it's like so packed, but yeah, I'm excited. Lunch is over. First session after lunch. I'm gonna take faux Honda out. Faux Honda's going out. Got the camera on. I was hoping to get some 360 footage. I still might try and do that, but I was a slacker. On getting the camera situation figured out, so all I got is my go-to Garmin Verb, but 600 time. Let's see how this goes. just ran a 142. Wore myself out, physical conditions horrible. Did all I could do to get there, but 142 won. Very, very happy with that. That's like my fastest, best time here. First day of the season even. So yeah, I'm psyched about that. I'm loving it. So 3 more sessions and we'll see how it goes, but I'm tired. I need to take it easy.